Hey YouTube, Grimfry here, and I wanted to do a gun review on the UHC UA-961 airsoft pistol. Now, it's a really good pistol. It comes with a really cool box with the blue and green and the pictures of pistols. Now that's not what the pistol looks like. That's just things. But hop up. It's a heavyweight, so it's actually pretty heavy. It's a spring cocking air pistol. Air piston system. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, styrofoam on the bottom. And, yeah. Oh, and here it's the, UA-951 series. Or UA-95 series. UA-951, UA-952, UA-953, UA-954, that one I think looks pretty cool. UA-955, UA-956, and UA-957, UA-958. Now, the UA-958, that's the, not the biggest, the UA-952 is the biggest, but, that looks more like the gun itself, these two do. So, now on to the gun itself. And here it is. Now here's the instructions manual. Warranty, what not to do. And so here's the box. Comes with 100 UHC BBs. They're blue. They're pretty good. Yeah. That out of the way. And now, just has a picture pop up. And now for the gun itself. It's a really nice gun. Like I said earlier, it's pretty heavy. And the special thing that it comes with is a BB stopper. So in case if there's a BB in the barrel and you happen to accidentally shoot it, this will stop it. So it's a really good feature. Comes with one mag. Release the mags right here. Mag drops out. This is a high capacity mag. Comes with it, but I'm sure it holds like maybe 30. I'm guessing. I'm sure you can buy one that holds like 50 or something, but pretty nice mag. Set that aside. Now for the actual gun. It has a button right here. That's like a safety feature. Safety is actually right here, but safety on, safety off, safety on. But like, in order to shoot the gun, you have to press this down. So you press it down with your thing, and then you cock back the gun. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay. Okay, so hold on a second, sorry. So you hold, see, I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, I just cocked back the gun, but I didn't press this button down, and look, when I try to shoot it without pressing the button down, can't. But look, if I then press the button down, it lets you shoot. So that's a pretty good safety feature on the gun. yeah, pretty nice. Actually, it's really nice, I should say. It's really good. Has pretty good iron sights, as you could say. Be a great side weapon for an airsoft battle. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, rate, and maybe I'll catch you next time with some more unboxing videos. Thanks, bye.